burning your hair every time you dry it? Tired of pointless arm strain? Frustrated with hair everywhere? Garnier Brise lives comfortably on your sink top. Less noise pollution. World's first hands-free hairdryer with infrared sensor technology. 5 times healthier hair. 3 times easier hair drying experience. Protect your hair and reduce arm strain. Automatically controls temperature to eliminate unwanted burnt hair. It's proving. The Brise accessory hub provides a home for the attachments you never knew what to do with. The hub keeps your hair and skincare products right where you need them. Garnier Brise.